Hi there, I'm Danielle with TaxShopper.com, where we help you shop and save on tax prep. I've been in the tax prep industry for 14 years, working for top online brands. And I can tell you, you do not need to pay full price for your tax prep. So here's a tax tip. Right now, early season, January and February, are the lowest prices you're going to see on tax prep all year. Starting in March, the prices can go up as much as 50%. But what if you're not ready to file? Well, that's okay, I'm not either. But today I'm going to show you how you can lock in these early season prices and then file whenever you're ready. Here's a comparison of prices today compared to October 15th of 24. We don't know what the prices will be with the extension filing deadline this year, but I can guarantee they're going to be higher than today. So the key to understanding how to lock in these early season prices is understanding how the tax prep software works. In order to view or print the tax return, you're going to need to pay. Let's see how filers can use this to lock in low early season pricing in TurboTax, TaxAct, and TaxSlayer. But the first place I'm going to recommend that you go is to TaxShopper.com, where you're going to find the latest deals, helpful articles, as well as our TaxShopper tool, which helps you to compare the top online brands that cover your tax situation side by side so you can get the best deal. First, let's look at how you can pay now to lock in current prices for TurboTax. So inside your TurboTax return, you're going to go to Print Center on the left-hand side. Then choose Print, Save, or Preview this year's return. Choose Pay Now. And here I can pay for the TurboTax Premium software for investors and self-employed at the early season pricing of $89 and then file whenever I'm ready. Now let's take a look at how you can pay now with TaxAct. Inside your TaxAct return, you're going to go down to Print Center, Return, then choose View, Pay your federal return fees. From here, you can lock in the early season discount for TaxAct Self-Employed at $69.99. Lastly, I'll show you how to pay now to lock in the early season discount pricing for TaxSlayer. Inside your TaxSlayer return, choose Summary Print on the left-hand side, then Print Results. And here you can see that you can lock in the early season price of $52.95 for the TaxSlayer Classic with the self-employed. Some very important things that I want to call out. Not all products will allow you to pay in advance. Double check with the product that you're using. Double check whether you can file for free. Products such as Free Tax USA and Cash App will allow you to file for free even if you have a complex tax situation. Lastly, make sure that you add your states or any extra bundles that you want so that you can lock in these early season pricing on those as well. Visit me at TaxShopper.com, where you can shop, save, and file, and find more tax tips and other helpful articles to help you save on tax prep this tax season.